Hi, everyone! Welcome back to Jesmin Paper Crafts. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful flower using just for colors of paper red, pink, black, and yellow. This simple and fun craft will brighten up any space and is perfect for beginners. First, let's go over the materials you'll need. You'll need red, pink, black, and yellow paper, a pair of scissors, some glue, and a pencil. Make sure to have everything ready before we start. We're going to begin by making the petals. Take the red paper and fold it in half. Then use a pencil to draw petal shapes. You can make them as big or small as you'd like, depending on the size of your flower. Once you're happy with the shape, cut them out. You'll need around 6 to 8 petals. Next, grab the yellow paper and cut out a small circle. This will be the center of your flower. You can make the circle as large or small as you'd like, depending on your design. Then, take the black paper and cut it into very thin strips for the details in the flower center. Set these pieces aside for now. Now, let's put everything together. Make sure to overlap them slightly for a more natural look. Once the petals are in place, add the black strips to the center by curling them slightly and gluing them on top of the yellow circle. This adds a nice touch to your flower's center. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you did, be sure to like, comment, follow, and subscribe for more fun crafts here on Jesmin Paper Crafts. See you in the next video.